Hi guys, welcome to another video. Just going to do that digital code giveaway for Days of Thunder. And I have also the Sandlot. So there'll be two winners. First place gets to pick what one they want. Second place gets what's left over. And I was going to do a third place, but this code is expired. So for the first Ghostbusters. So anyone who comes across this video first wants to give that code a try. Maybe it's still good. Hopefully it is. Let's get back to this contest. So, yeah, if to my regulars, if you want in, just let me know. Be glad to put you in. And if you're new to the channel, you have to be a subscriber. You have to go back and watch 3 older videos and comment. Make sure you like the content before you get in on any prizes. And after you've done so, come back to this video and comment, and I'll confirm your entry into the contest. So it's going to end July 2nd at midnight. And the drawing will be held July 3rd around noon. So that's everything. Hope to see you enter in this one, and see you soon in the next video. Thanks to everyone for watching, okay? Take care. Bye.
Going up. In the office, baby.